Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a camera that has been making waves in the world of content creation and photography. The Nikon Z30 II. Whether you're a budding vlogger, a seasoned creator, or just someone looking for a versatile and affordable camera, the Z30 II promises to check a lot of boxes. But does it deliver on those promises? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out today. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Nikon Z30 II, from its design, performance, and features to how it stacks up against other cameras in the market. So sit back, relax, and stick with me until the end. You won't want to miss this. Let's kick things off by talking about the design. The Nikon Z30 II is compact, lightweight, and designed for creators who are always on the go. Whether you're out shooting on location or traveling, this camera is small enough to fit into your bag without weighing you down. It's the perfect size for those who need portability without compromising too much on features. The body is made of high-quality materials, and although it's small, it feels solid and durable. It's built to handle the rigors of daily use, but not so bulky that it's uncomfortable or difficult to manage. What's great about the Z30 II is how user-friendly it is. The control buttons are well laid out, making it easy to adjust settings while keeping your focus on the shot. It has a fully articulating touchscreen that's perfect for vlogging or taking selfies, and the flip-out screen makes framing your shots much easier. It's definitely a camera designed with creators in mind. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Nikon Z30 II is powered by a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor, which delivers great image quality and fast performance. Whether you're capturing stills or shooting video, you'll get sharp, vibrant results. The sensor allows for excellent dynamic range, meaning you'll be able to capture more detail in both shadows and highlights. That's a huge plus for creators who are working in a variety of lighting conditions. You'll get shots that are full of life, even in less than ideal lighting situations. The autofocus system in the Z30 II is another standout feature. With Nikon's reliable hybrid AF system, you get fast and accurate focus tracking, whether you're capturing moving subjects or stationary objects. The eye detection autofocus is also a major win, especially for portrait and vlogging work, ensuring that your subject is always sharp and in focus. With its fast response time and tracking accuracy, the Z30 II makes it easy to focus on the moment rather than the technicalities of getting the shot. When it comes to image quality, the Nikon Z30 II really shines. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, the images come out crisp and full of detail. The 20.9 MP APS-C sensor is perfect for everyday photography, portraits, landscapes, and street photography. You'll notice rich colors, great contrast, and smooth bokeh, giving your shots a cinematic look without having to edit too much afterward. And with Nikon's color science, you'll get natural, true-to-life colors that pop, making your content look professional right out of the camera. For videographers, the Z30 II delivers high-quality 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second, which is great for both casual creators and professional filmmakers. The 4K footage looks sharp, with minimal